Hello and namaste. Welcome back to my channel.
Today we are at my friend's house as she has called us for Haldi Kumkum.
In the month of Shravan, everybody celebrate this puja.
This villa is constructed using the red laterite stone, which gives it a distinct reddish brown color with an unique aesthetic appeal. Come on, let's go inside now.
ಸಂಜನಾ ಹೇಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಚಂದ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? अपना ही घर समझ के Yeah, you feel as if you're entering a temple. This is the beautiful interior of our house, and she has arranged this puja in the central hall. You can find this grinding stone which is kept at the corner of the house. I don't know whether she uses or is it's kept only for a show.
These red bricks are also known as Jamburi Vita in Marathi. In earlier days, these kind of bricks were being used only in the coastal areas. The electric switches also look like antique pieces, isn't it?
And our Lakshmis are sitting here. इधर देखो we are waiting for Sanjana to finish her puja inside. She is right now busy inside. That's why we are sitting outside and chilling.
प्रमीला को बहुत गर्मी हो रही थी इसलिए वहाँ जाके बैठे हैं.
So today's Haldi Kumkum program is over. Now we all are set to go home back. So we are going home now.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. So it was a nice program, Sanjana.
Thank you. Must to enjoy my snacks and Thank you. पूजा भी बहुत अच्छी है.
ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. We always come for photography to your house.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಮೀಳಾ ಬರ್ತಾರಂತೆ ಪಟ್ಟೆ ರೆಡಿ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ.
If you all like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you all in the next video. Until then, goodbye.